For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world, let's get ready to rumble!
Okay, welcome back. This is Mark with your Crypto Minute channel, and sometimes called the Doctor of Cryptology, but right now I think I'm the proctologist of cryptology. Let's take a look and react to Meet Kevin. I'm going to call this the great, the bad, and the ugly. All right. So overall, he does things exactly the right way. He's a very intelligent man, and he uses claim, evidence, and reasoning to justify his positions. He makes a claim, he gives you evidence, and then he provides reasoning. Let's just listen to the first couple minutes of his latest one.
Great Reset now been fully priced into the stock market. Let's talk about the Great Reset, the stock market, and what to expect going forward. Let's start. First, we are experiencing the greatest inflation that we have seen in the last 40 years.
Okay, so he made a claim. He talked about the truth about the Great Recession and that there's a Great Reset. And now he's going to use evidence to justify his position. All right, these are the really good things that Kevin does.
Expectations that, at least in the United States, the peak has not been achieved yet. In fact, the next CPI data set for July is expected to come in even higher.
All right, you can tell he's highly intelligent too. He's a very brilliant young man who actually has some wise analysis, although he's not always correct. Now that's, I would call the great. Let's get to some of the other parts. Now, the bad. See, every video we have to hear at least 3 or 4 different pushes for various types of investments or investing. I don't mind the investing in his channel. I did join this channel in his Discord to listen to what he was doing, but he's pushing too many products. So out of this, I don't know, 15-minute video, you got at least 1.5 minutes or 90 seconds of just pure bullshit, to tell you the truth. All right, that's one thing. Let's go to the ugly.
And research the market for hours every single day, I recommend checking out The Motley Fool. The Motley Fool.
See what I mean? All right. So really what he does is, and what I think is his major problem is, and he's starting to get it. Like I said, he's a young man, and he's a lot more wealthier than I am. But he seems to hate energy stocks in the energy sector, and I'm a little bit wondering why he does. I think I've outperformed him by at least a couple 100% because I've been pretty much mainly in the energy sector. And if any of you have been following along with stocks, then you would know that that's basically the only sector that seemed to have survived the last basically year and a half. He pulled all his money out of the market early, and he's now reinvesting back in way too quickly, as far as I'm concerned. And he knows, like this button, he knows that the CPI data and the VIX has not fallen completely yet. And so yet he still is continuing to advise on investing. And I just caution him as to his advice with many people, because he's already been sued once concerning some of his advice. Now, advice should be taken, and again, what he would say and what I say is be a skeptic, be your own intelligent learner, use common sense in trading, and look for something called claim, evidence, and reasoning. What's your claim? What do you want to do in 5 years? What do you want to do in the next year? You're a trader, you're going to be an investor. What are you looking for? And then give yourself evidence, like why should this happen? All right. And try not to be so impatient with profit. Things that are very good take time. All right. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will leave a link in the description to Meet Kevin's videos as well. And as always, hopefully you're going to like and subscribe. Please, I need to get monetized by at least 2026, my prediction. So wife likes shoes. She really does like shoes. So I have to buy more shoes. And I have 2 freaking stepkids. They're all over 20 years old that I need freaking out of the house. All right. Anyways, I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day.